What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley for those of you who are watching for the first time, and I'm so glad to have you guys here in my room. As you guys can tell by the title, I'm doing a room tour, and I talked about my living situation in my chit chat get ready with me video, but basically this is a room that you guys have been seeing for like as long as I've been doing YouTube, as long as me and Zach have been doing YouTube. But recently my parents moved into their like retirement home, their final house, and now me and my sister are renting our childhood home from them, so I was able to redo my room. So basically this is my childhood room turned into my adult room, and a lot of the stuff that you guys can see in the background is pretty similar to what it was before, but I made some tweaks. I added a lot of new decor pieces. I got a new bed, like a lot of stuff. So if you guys are interested, keep watching, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right, y'all, so starting off with the first thing you see when you walk into my room is my bed. If you guys have watched my videos since the beginning, me and my sister used to have two twin beds in here, so took away both of them and I put a queen bed in the middle. This bed is from IKEA. It has the storage drawers underneath. There's 4 drawers. I love this bed so much because it allows me to have so much space for my clothes. My bedding is also my favorite thing about the bed. I'm doing like a monochromatic, like two-tone bed theme right now. So my duvet cover is from IKEA, and I forgot to mention in the beginning, but I will have all of these products, everything that I mentioned, linked down below. And if there's something that's not available anymore, then I'll have a similar one linked down below. And then the sheets, the light pink sheets, are from JCPenney. I love these sheets. They're like cotton. They're super soft, and I'm so in love with my bedding. I literally don't want to change it. My 2 checkered pillows. These are just pillowcases that I purchased off Amazon, and I already had the inserts for them. So I think it's a nice little touch to it. My throw blanket at the bottom of my bed is Kate Spade from Marshall's. I love this throw blanket. It's so big, it's so cozy, and I use it all the time. Next, I have this huge picture above my bed. It's from IKEA. I've had this picture since me and my sister shared a room, and I decided to keep it because, if you guys don't know, I went to Paris twice so far. I absolutely love the city. Like, it's one of my favorite places, so I thought keeping it here is special because Paris holds a lot of special memories for me, y'all. So alright, so on the side of my bed, like right in between my 2 closets, I have this artwork that I just got. It is from Home Goods, but it's just like a canvas, like a lot of texture, a lot of grays, whites, different color tones. I just wanted something that's like modern, that can tie in a little bit more texture into the room. And then I love the stuff that I styled on my dresser. I have this eucalyptus that I got from Amazon that I love. I have this in my bathroom as well. This is fake, obviously, but sometimes I can't do the real plants in my room, y'all. Like, it'd be so hard to water them. Like, I have a lot of real plants throughout the rest of my house, but in my room, like, I'd rather just go with the fake. So this vase, this black vase, I absolutely love. It came in a 3-pack from Amazon. I'm so upset that they don't have this anymore, but I linked a similar one below. My clock is from Amazon as well. It's one of those digital ones that have like the numbers on them. And then my jewelry case here is from the Container Store. It's not really a jewelry case. You can use it for anything, but I like to keep my necklaces in it because it's like my gold ones are at the top, the pearl ones are in the middle, and then my fun, like, creative ones are at the bottom. And it's just a nice way to organize. But in my room, I also have touches of the people I love and the people I've lost, so you guys will see that throughout my room. This picture right here is a picture of my sister and my grandma, who passed away a couple years ago, but this is like my favorite picture of her because this is how, like, I always remember her. She would always wear that shirt, so like I wanted to keep that picture like very close to my bed so that, you know, whenever I miss her, I always have that to look at. So I do have this little like white nightstand type thing. It's actually a container that if you lift off the top, it's like storage and stuff you can store underneath, but I'm just using it as a nightstand, and I absolutely love it. I also got this off Amazon. It was like under $30. Really great durability, like it's solid. And then I have my little book that I'm reading right now, and then a cute little Kindle that I also got off Amazon on top. Very plain, very cute, you know what I mean. Okay, so the next thing I have is my TV area, which is right across my bed. I love my TV, y'all. When I tell you it's like a movie theater when I watch TV at nighttime, like I love it. I'm chilling in my bed, my TV's on. This is the frame TV, and I want to say the biggest size that they have. Like, I feel so blessed to say that Amazon like sent me this TV because I did not have to purchase it. but it is like a little bit on the pricier side. But I would say that if you're able to, definitely invest in it. I don't plan on getting a TV, like buying a TV ever again. Like I'm gonna take this TV wherever I go because it's that good, y'all. It is paper thin, like it like goes on the wall so nice, and then like the picture and everything is amazing. So 10 out of 10 recommend. This big dresser and the little dresser, this came in a set, and I did get it from Marlo like years ago. So there's definitely better ones out there now, but for now, dresses are very expensive. So I just kept these here, but eventually I do want to change these out because I don't love the knobs on them. And they're also a little bit dinged up. You guys can't tell, but they are a little bit dinged up. So eventually these are gonna go, but for now, they're staying. On top of this dresser, I have a couple little knickknacks. The neon sign I got is from Marshall's. It's so cute. It says my happy place. I also use this as my night light at nighttime because I am a little bit scared of the dark, but it's normal, y'all. A lot of people are scared of the dark, and that's me. So this is my night light as well. I have a candle here. I don't like this candle anymore, but I like how it ties in with the black. The YSL box came from a PR package, and a lot of the things that I get in PR packages, if they're like really cute, like I can use as decor, I'll either save them for when I have a house, or like I'll use whatever I can in my room. So that's one of the things that I was able to use. And then this is the other vase in the set. I just put some pampas in it, which is also from Amazon, another fake plant. And then the frame also came in a 2-pack, and those are still available, so those will be linked down below. Right next to this area, I have like a 3-tier shelves. These are just like for miscellaneous things. Like the top shelf is for like all my hair stuff that I just throw in throughout the day. The middle shelf is the box that goes to the TV, so I have to point my remote to it. And the bottom is like my little mini bookcase. I have a full bookcase at my beach house room, which I keep all my books in, but like my current reads, I'll keep them here. Alrighty, now we're moving on to my shelves. This part of my room is my pride and joy because I like basically completely redid this section from like what it looked like before. But these 3-tier shelves are from IKEA. My dad just like mounted them to the wall, which is like, I can't do that, so I'm so grateful to have him to do that for me. Each shelf is like decorated for something different. So the bottom shelf is like my earring station. I love this earring rack that I got off Amazon. It's so cute. I'm literally able to fit like all of my earrings in one place, and it's easy to see them. And especially when I travel, I literally will like, oh, let's wear these this weekend, and then throw them in my bag. Like, so convenient. This little unique shaped mirror is from Amazon. I thought it was so cute. It was like $10, and it just looks perfect right there. And then the orange candle came in a 2-pack. It's the same one by my bed. They have so many colors in the candle. Love them. The second shelf, I have this picture of me and my sister when we were little. And then the middle is one of those soda pop candles that is from Marshall's. I got the cherry one, and I also have a strawberry one, which is on my desk. Those smell so amazing. Like, words cannot express how good they smell. I don't even light them. I just keep them in my room, and I can like smell them all the time. But soda pop candle. And then in the very end, I have this mirrored vase, which I love. I got it from Amazon. And the flowers inside are from my best friend's funeral. She passed away a couple months ago, and I just have these flowers because those are the ones that are at her funeral, and I want to like keep them as memories, and like so she always has a place in my room for her. So this is a nice reminder of her. And then the top shelf, I have a vase from IKEA. I absolutely love this vase. It's like a little rainbow shape, and it's like iridescent. And the plant is also fake. It's from IKEA. And then to the left is this picture. This is another memory piece for my grandma. So my grandma was like super religious. She was like Filipino Catholic. She would pray like every night, every morning. Like, I would go to church with her every Sunday. Like, yeah. Anyway, so when she would pray, she would always have this picture with her, and it would be by her bed. So when she passed away, I definitely wanted to keep that piece of her with me, so I have it here on my shelf. My shelves are my pride and joy. On the bottom is another storage piece. I need a lot of storage, y'all, because I have so much stuff. Like, these top 2 are for my hair stuff. One is for my makeup. Like, one is for just like PR stuff that I collect. And on top, I have these books. These are fake books from Etsy. And I love them because they just look cute. But I wish I got real books, low-key. The candle on top is from a PR package from The Way. which is a hair care brand. It smells so good. I use their perfume fragrances as well. And then this little half rainbow moonstone thingy is from Target, which is so cute. And then my lamp here is also from Target, which just ties in all the white. So this is like the last corner of my room. I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far, but let's keep going. We're almost done. So here I have 3 pictures. These used to be above my dresser behind my TV, if you guys remember, but I decided to change them and put them above my desk. These are from IKEA, and they came like this with the picture in the frame, which is like, ooh, perfect. So I didn't have to do much work for that. And then under my pictures is my desk. This is a gold desk that I got from Staples, and it was for one of my campaigns that I did last year. So I didn't have to pay anything for it, thank goodness, because desks are very, very expensive. Furniture in general is very, very expensive. So I try to utilize what I have as much as I can, and like what, you know, I try to make it work, y'all. Anyways, it is a little bit random that I only have 1 gold piece in an entirely black and silver room, but we're just going with it, y'all. I do love this desk though. The only thing that I don't like is that since it's glass, it gets scratched a little bit, so I have to constantly like wipe it, like, you know. It is what it is though, y'all. On my desk is my other soda pop candle. This is a strawberry one, and it smells like literally like strawberry Fanta. Like, it smells so good, y'all. Like, I just love it. And they like recently just went like viral on TikTok, so like it's definitely not too late to go pick them up and like find them, because they have like 7 different flavors, and I'm trying to collect them all, but for now I only have 2. So that's my desk area, and then the last thing I have is my mirror. She's so cute. She's from IKEA. A lot of things in my room are from IKEA because IKEA is very affordable. Anyways, she's full body, like she's full length. If I'm 5'3", like she's way taller than me. So I want to say it's like 7 foot. I film all my content in here. I take all my pictures in here. This is the classic, I think it's called a Houvette or something mirror. But they used to have it in silver only, and people would like paint it black. But now they have it in black, so you don't even have to paint it. You just buy the black one. So love her. She's also under $200, which is like pretty good for a mirror this big. So definitely go check that out, y'all. All right, y'all, so this concludes my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I'll have everything linked down below. If there's something that I missed, definitely let me know. But overall, if there's anything that I want you guys to take from this video, it's that you don't need to have the most aesthetic white room to have a cute room. Like, literally, it's possible to work with the things that you already have and add like little accessories and knickknacks and change out art and make something more your style. So yeah, this is my childhood room. A lot of this stuff is from my childhood, and I took it, spruced it up, and made it into something that I would enjoy in my adulthood. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below what you guys think. What's your favorite part? Is there anything that you're about to buy for yourself? Like, what is it giving? But yeah, y'all, love you guys so much. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next Friday.